Hi, so I'll be doing a deep dive on how textile works. I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up and what to expect in your signing up. I'll be giving you the breakdown on how you make money and how you can make it worth your while. The steps in which you are going to make money from this website. So let's go. So the first step to joining up this website is by tapping this button over here, becoming a tester. So what you expect is that when you tap in, you sign up, you confirm your email, then you come back, there's going to be an interface where they'll give you several courses on how to become a tester. Now, after each course, you then get a kind of quiz. The quiz is not that hard. You can always look back. You have several tries anyway. You can always try again whenever you don't pass the quiz. But it's pretty straightforward. So after each course, then you get a quiz. Then after you finish the quiz, then you can go to the next course. Now, I think you have 2 or 3 quizzes. Then you have a final test, which is practical. The practical aspect is how you are going to test a website. They're going to give you a live scenario. Now, back when I started on this website, the practical test was actually you have to test websites, live websites. Now they're going to give you some certain conditions on testing the website. Then you have to find an error, which is called bug. Then after you finish submitting the bugs, then you'll be approved as a tester after I think a week or so. But right now you can get approved as a tester within the first 3 or 4 days. I'm giving you a practical live scenario of how this website works. So after you finish, after you pass the practical exam, then you are good to go. On this website, you have 4 main options to make money. The first one is finding a bug. I think that takes is one of the most important, the one that have the most of the money you can make, is finding a bug. Whenever you find a bug on this website, you get, and the bug gets approved by the team leader. Whenever you find a bug and the bug gets approved by the team leader and the client accepts the bug, you get paid a particular amount, which is most of the time as much as 10-15 euros, depending on the severity of the bug. Now, the second way for you to make money on this website is through something called bug reproduction. Now, bug reproductions is another tester on the same testing session, like another tester that you are both testing the website or app at the same time. Whenever that tester finds a bug and it has been approved by the team leader, you will be given the option to reproduce this bug. Now, when you reproduce this bug and you can find that bug, if the client, whenever the tester that finds the bug gets paid, you get a fraction of what the person is paying. Are you getting what I'm saying? So if the client is getting a certain amount, you're going to get a fraction of that certain amount also. So that's the second way you can make money on this platform. The third way you can make money on this website is through something called user story. Now, on some other websites, they call it review and opinion and all that. But what CSI does is that they pay you as long as you can get certain tasks done and you give your opinion on how the website or app reacted to those tasks that you had to do. Let me give you for example, like they tell you to sign in on the website. If you can sign in successfully, you can always give your opinion that okay, I could sign in successfully, or maybe I found it a bit difficult to sign in, or when I was signing in, the website was loading endlessly, something like in that kind of sphere. And as long as your team leader approves your user story, you get paid also. The fourth option of how to make money on this website is called session report. Now the session report is like the final option, or let me say the final action a tester will take on a particular test when you're testing a website or an app. The reason is that whenever you drop a session report, you won't be able to do any other thing on that particular test. So what a session report is about is you as a tester will give your opinion on how hard or how simple you feel the test environment is. If you feel the instructions were too direct or were too indirect, that's just a way for them to get a feedback from you. Or you feel that the options for you to answer questions were not enough, this is another way for you to make money on this platform. So when you file a session report, you get paid also. And there's some things about session report. You must have submitted a bug or a user story before you can activate the option of session report. So that is the fourth option on how to make money on this website. So I'm going to put a little bonus here. There are some test options that comes once in a while that is called test cases. Now these test cases are unique cases in which you can make money also. Now I think it comes once in a month, so that's another option. So that would be like the fifth option of how to make money on this website. So the payment options for this website is PayPal and IBAN, and you get paid every 20th or 21st of every month. The customer service is always ready to speak to you whenever you have questions. Whenever you are confused about anything, you can always tap on the chat bubble and it will pop up and you can ask questions. Now it takes typically 1 or 2 days before they respond, but most of the time it's just within 12 hours they respond to you. So that's how good fast the customer service is. So there's a process in which your bug will get approved and you get paid. First, you as a tester, you submit a bug. Then your team leader will proofread your bug. When he or she approves the bug, the website actually trusts the opinion of the team leader. So it now falls on the client to accept your bug, then pay for you for the bug. Overall, this website is a very nice website. It pays its testers on time, and there's no payment threshold. If it's $1 or €1, you get paid €1. If it's 20, 200, you get paid 200. There's no limit. So whatever it is you make, as long as requested for your payment will come through in time. So if you have any questions concerning this website, I'll be in the comment section responding to you. Please interact with me in the comment sections. If you feel that there's some things that are confusing about the website, let me know in the comment section. If you like this content, you can always share with your friends, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.